miles northeast of Kiwami.
1:22 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Sheko, or 12 miles northeast of Kiwami, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
This siren still sounds like
Damage
garbage.
to roofs, siding, and trees.
And I'm not kidding.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Wyanett and Manly around 2:35 p.m.
Pretty sure it's Wyanett.
Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Princeton and Bureau County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Columbia Dodge. Along the line. Quarter size hail. Huh. I'm back.
Over Dover, or 7 miles northeast of Princeton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar.
This severe thunderstorm will be
Near.
Zillington or around 3:10 p.m. Memorial, Cherry, and Arlington around 3:20 p.m. Take cover now.
Memorial, Cherry, and Arlington around 3:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Now we got Dodge Ozaki in Washington. I will show y'all the warning. And they issued a marine warning, by the way, but I can't get that. It's a pretty solid line. The lowest floor. I have to fill the gaps for when the audio cuts out. Because for some reason, when my radio's over here around this time of day, apparently, the audio is just going to cut out randomly.
Of a sturdy building.
Here we go.
At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Deer Grove, or 8 miles south of Rock
A severe thunderstorm was
Rock
located
Falls.
near Deer Grove, or 8 miles south of Rock Falls.
Rock
Moving
Falls.
at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
Guessing
Source,
you.
radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Indicated. Locations impacted include Dixon, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashland, Select, Woodhaven Lakes.
This includes Lee County Fairgrounds and Sauk Valley College.
Hey,
For your protection,
a couple of my friends go there and or will go there.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for northeastern Bureau County. At 3:12 p.m.
Okay, so a severe warning for Lee County in north central Illinois issued by Lot. Okay, so that's what's over us right now. Now LaSalle.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County until 4 p.m.
At least you're saying it right.
At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lamoille, or 8 miles southwest of Mendota, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour.
Mendota.
Expected hazards include
Some of these
quarter-size hail.
pronunciations are hilarious.
Damage to vehicles is expected.
And always will be.
Locations impacted include Mendota, Troy Grove,
Mendota.
Prairie Center, and Triumph, including the following interstate I-39 between mile markers 63 and 77.
I was gonna say
This
53.
includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a special...
What I love about these small SVRs is that they're over in less than a minute. Also a SPS for our area. Yeah, this is a tiny SPS, SVR. The SPS is here, which is for our area, which is right there.